What's going on, everyone? So a few of you have asked me, can you go longer with your Betfury, I guess, gaming? The answer is yes. But do you want to risk it is the question. So without further ado, I'm going to risk it. We have $548. So the two settings that I typically use are these two, 1% and 2% here. And I usually run that for a little bit, and that does pretty well. The other one that you guys have seen me run is 8 and 9. I think this is safer, but takes longer to win. So I'm gonna go with the shorter route. We're gonna give this a go. We'll see what we do. Fast mode, of course, and we're gonna see the live chart. 1,000th, so this would be like 20 cents. What is 500? 520 divided by 1,000. 50 cents. Don't know why I could not figure that out from the life of me, but that was pretty silly. All right, 50 cents, live rolls. Let's do this. So we're gonna probably just take this up to well, maybe 800. We'll see. Losing $50 isn't fun at all. Losing $100 isn't fun. Losing $200 is not fun. Oh, congratulations. I'm a rank 2 gambler. Well, I lost all my money. Oh my god. At the last second, I just doubled it. Did you see that? Oh my god. See? That's the chances that could happen, is you could lose it all. But I did get that double, so I'm gonna go one more. Just like that, you could lose it all, or you could double your money. I thought I was done. I thought it was over. Oh wow. They're risky. I already got 2 in a row. Just stopped it. Just stopped it. Do we dare one more time? Well, we're already committed. We're already 250 in. There it is. Okay. We're up 3x now, so we're just playing with fire. Just playing with fire. We're gonna let it go, because usually I only do 10%, but I was being greedy. That was just greedy. So yeah, that's how easy it is. But again, you're playing with fire when you're doing this stuff. So 1,600. I think we started at 500. So that's it, guys. I wanted to show you. That's my weekly update on this printing money. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, by the way, they told me that if you use code Brandon100 for those that paid attention to this whole thing, watch this. You get they're matching, because we did our challenge what was it, last couple weeks ago, and people loved it. And so anyone who wants to join that and use code Brandon100 will get I think it's matching your deposit. So if you put in 100, you get 200. If you put in 1,000, so forth. So that's it, guys. Wanted to share that with you, and I'll see you on the next one.